Welcome guys to this week's vlog. So we're going to start things off at, you can't see it, right, Dobby's Garden Centre. Right, we're at a paid ticketed event and it is Bonfire Night soon, so oh, we've got to go in, we've got to give them a ticket. You have got my ticket, right?
Well, it's a reference number.
That's fine then. But yeah, you might see it better now. You see it now? Dobby's! The I and the ES is gone, but yeah, security guy. So here we are, looking at it, look, there's Christmas stuff everywhere. So, Christmas mini-me's, even more Christmas mini-me's. We've got a cute tree, we've got an even bigger tree. Got the owl collection. Baubles, I need to buy you a bauble, don't I? How much was you gonna... We'll cut this bit. So look around the toy section, and when it comes to Christmas, there's always one thing you've got to sort of look at. That.
The girl one. You
What's...
get a book that tells you about the story about Elf on the Shelf.
Right.
And then you get the Elf on the Shelf.
Are they connected?
I think so.
Move your hand. Oh, she's broke it. Oh. Hang on, I know what you've done here. Hang on. Catch Amber. Indoor snowball kit. Yeah, boys. I'm a little tiger, tiger, tiger. I'm a little tiger. Bear stuff. You've got the jigsaws. You've got hand puppets. You've got... Kaylee, do you want a tractor? Kaylee? We don't like that person. So many trees. Trees. Hello, mate. Had a reindeer. We found the Debenhams bit. They've got chocolate Monopoly. They've got scrumptious shortbread. They've got giant lint things. They've got advent calendars for Bane Bamboozle. They've got everything. They've even got rock, even though we're nowhere near Seaside. Feed the fish for £1. Oh yeah, look. We've decided we're going to buy a gingerbread train this year. So, yeah. So while we wait for the fireworks, which is in about 20 minutes, got myself a nice hot chocolate, bought Kaylee a can of Coke where you can win, look. Jingle Bell Ball! So we better do that. And yeah, let's drink me hot chocolate. So guys, just watched the fireworks at Dobby's Garden Centre. We're now at, you can't really see that, but we're now at De Rhodes Arms, which is a Stonehouse pub. They sell lots of things. Let's go inside and let's get some stuff. Where are we going to sit? Oh, it's right busy in here, mate. It's right busy in here. Where do you want to sit? Do you want to go around there? I can't think you can go around there. So they've got a right snazzy menu, right? What we're gonna have today is the hen party, which is a crispy chicken breast buttermilk thing, topped with streaker bacon, barbecue sauce, cheddar cheese, and onion rings. All is good. Free salad. And chips. Not free. Free, I meant unlimited. All the fries. What's the matter? Oh. My food looks so damn freaking awesome. Do you like fireworks? No. Can I take your toy? Yeah. That's it. No. Okay. You just sit there and enjoy Angry Bird. Me and Kaylee go to the rugby club to go watch some more fireworks. Yay! It's safe to say, guys, that I am pitch black. Freezing cold. Wait, where can you see me? You've got a light. There you go. So yeah. So guys, we are now going to our local rugby club where we always go to watch our fireworks, and all I've got is a woolly jumper on. So I am going to be absolutely freezing cold. But until then, let's go see some fireworks. The bonfire lit. What? Oh, hello. That was fun. Now for like the onslaught of people. Bonfire. Goodbye Bonfire for another year. Get on the path, get on the path, get on the path, get on the path. I got you. Got you. Home time. Nothing beats playing Fortnite with a Mackies on your desk, with a Big Mac, with some chips, with a hot chocolate. Bliss. Pick a mix too. It's Skelly-Doo. So guys, why does it get so dark so quick nowadays? So yeah, me and Kaylee are going to cinema tonight, and we're going to go and watch a film called A Star Is Born. So yeah, it's the one that's got Lady Gaga in it, I know that much. But it's my type of film. It's really not my type of film. I don't even know what the story is, so it might be alright, but we're going to go and see what it's like, and yeah. Rewrite the stars. I'm going to set everyone. I'm going to take double seats right there. So guys, we've watched our film. We've watched that film there. You can't even see it. It's just a white board. A Star Is Born. And yeah, it's very sad. Where we parked. Yeah. We bought some popcorn that we didn't eat because the film was there's literally like 3/4 full. Like the film was like it was like Jesus Christ. It was like Titanic. I'm gonna say it was like Titanic.
Where is the car?
They're parking next to it.
What?
Here. I'm saying they're parking next to it. Home time. And I've got to make a video. Yay! So here we are, guys. Something I've not told you about is I'm actually doing Movember this year. I mean, I do it every year, but I never really show on camera. So you can see that I'm growing a moustache. And I've got a snazzy beard. But yeah, today, what we are doing is we are actually filming our first Christmas month video. I've got Dano Dan and Carlos Chaos in the party. You can't hear them, which is all fine. But there's something a little bit special about this video. All I'm going to say is if you guys can think back to when me, Keelan and Dino released the UHC Champions Minecraft video, it's going to be like that. So stay tuned for Christmas month. I don't know what day this is, but you'll find all that out in the intro to Christmas month video. Until then, guys, enjoy the rest of the vlog. It's probably the end, but oh well.